Hello and welcome back to Research Circle. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about 2021 Nobel Prize in Physics awarded for research in complex system. The Royal Swedish Academy of Science has announced the recipient of 2021 Nobel Prize in Physics, which has been awarded for groundbreaking models of hidden rules that govern complex systems, including predictions of human impact on Earth's climate. The recipients are as follows. These three are the recipients as you can see on your screen. Socorro Mabele, that is Princeton University. Then Carolus Hassmal, that is Max Planck Institute for Meteorology. And Giorgio Parisi, that is Spinoza University of Rome. So one of the Nobel Prize in the Physics awarded jointly to Manabe, a Japanese American climatologist, and Hasselmann, a German oceanographer, for physical modeling of Earth's climate, qualifying viability, variability, and reliability predicting global warming. The other half is awarded to Parisi, an Italian theoretical physicist, for the discovery of interplay of disorder and fluctuation in physical system for atomic to planetary scales. Together their work uses simple theories to explain how random disorder and a complex phenomena arises and change over time. Now this prize in the physics reflects the deep connections of our field to develop or developing into mysterious that shows the law that determines the environment of our home planet Earth, said APC President James Gates. When it comes to Nobel Prize, the committee cited 17 papers in the journals by APC in their announcement, including 6 authors by Parisi, 5 in physical review letters, and 1 in reviews of modern physics. This marks the 11th consecutive year that PRL articles co-authors by one of the recipients has been cited in the scientific background on the physics or chemistry awarded. Now let's get quickly discuss about these three. So the first here is Socorro Manabe. As we have discussed, he has completed his PhD in 1957 from University of Tokyo, Japan, a senior meteorologist at Princeton University, USA. In 1960s, he leads the development of climate model that laid the foundation of today's model. He also demonstrated the relationship between increased atmospheric carbon dioxide and increased temperature on Earth's surface. He also were the first to explore the relationship between radiation and vertical transport of air masses due to convection. He was able to show that carbon dioxide is responsible for increase in the Earth's temperature, not charges the solar radiation. The next researcher comes here is Hans Hasselmann, a PhD from 1957 from University of Georgetown, Germany, a professor Max Planck Institute of Meteorology, Hamburg, Germany. 10 years later, Hasselmann also developed a critical model which links the weather and climate, showing that climate change, unlike weather, can be reliably predicted. He would also go on the developed method to identify specific fingerprints imprint on the climate of both natural phenomena and human activities. His model has been used to demonstrate that human emissions of carbon dioxide, not natural causes, have caused increased temperature in the atmosphere. And the third one is Giorgio Parisi. He got PhD from 1917 from Spinoza University of Rome, Italy, professor at Spinoza University of Rome, Italy. He receives the other half of the Nobel Prize for finding hidden patterns underlying seemingly random phenomena. Around 1980, he made crucial discoveries about spin glasses, a type of metal alloy which radical magnetic properties. Develop a physical and a mathematical model, earned the 2017 last Ansgar Prize from IPS for applying spin glass ideal to conceptual problems. Also received 2005 Daniel Kahneman Prize for mathematical physics. So this year the prize demonstrates the foundational role of physics in addressing some of the most pressing problems of our time. And this Nobel Prize was firstly awarded in 1901 and is widely considered as the highest honor in the scientific, economic and literature field. In 2021, Nobel Literature will award medals separately in their home countries and will receive 20 million Swedish kronor, approximately 1.15 million USD, and half which goes to Paris and other half will be goes to Manabe and Hasselmann. So this was all about today's video. I hope you like this video. We'll coming up with the more videos and more Nobel Prize information. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to Research Circle channel and don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.